If you don't own pigeons and you just don't know. Ain't that right, Bradley? Let them fly. These are all homing pigeons. Take them miles away from here and let them go and they'll come right back home. Small part of my flock's probably about half. It's drizzling a little bit out here this morning. They were all trying to take a bath, so I decided to just let them out. Let them clean themselves. Do their own thing. It's pretty nice that you can actually have a pet that you can let go, release, enjoy them, and they come right back home. Try that with your dog half the time. Try that with your cat. Try that with anything, your horse, your cow, your goat, your chickens. See how well it turns out for you. But try it with your homing pigeons. Try it with your roller pigeons. Try it with your pigeons. These suckers are going to come back home. With everything going on in the world today, as busy as you are, as expensive as things are, as hard as life is on everything and everybody, it's nice to know you can forget about it for a little while and let them fly. They don't have a clue. They don't realize how hard it is to afford their feed. They don't realize how far you got to travel, the gas you got to spend in order to go get the food that they need. They don't care. They make it all worthwhile. They lined up. Let them all take a bath in the rain because it's raining on me right now. Still got a couple flying. There they are. Still got some inside. They're coming out now. White ones. I still got all the pigeons you gave me, Daryl. The 2 whites and the red. They've done great. About time to go fishing. I don't mind a little rain. All I gotta do is go across the street. But I don't mind a little rain. The damper things. It's been hot. You guys ever let your birds out when it's raining? Just let them get cleaned off. Let them take a bath. I like to put water in there for them to take a bath in, but you know how that goes. They'll wind up drinking it. And it's dirty water. I don't want them drinking dirty water. I give them waters that they can't bathe themselves in. So this was a perfect opportunity to let them take a bath. As you can see, that's what they're doing to clean themselves up. You know they gotta be loving that. Clean bird is a happy bird, right? Clean anything is happy. Do y'all guys do this for your birds? Question of the day, what do you do for your birds to take baths? Riddle me that. Things are changing around here. We got a lot going on. With the puppies, like I said, we have German Shepherd puppies down. We have some available. If you guys want one, hit me up. We'll work something out. Other than that, it's a pigeon kind of day, and I'm going to go get out of this rain because I'm getting soaking wet just standing here. Thought I'd show you my idea. Make sure everybody gets cleaned up. I'm going to go here and straighten up my shop. Look at that. Is that not happy or what? Happy bird is better than an unhappy bird. Anyway, you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later.